continue talking about different kinds of triangles and angles. So to start, let's go over our objectives. We're going to discuss yesterday's lesson, learn how to classify triangles by side length, and look at the relationship between angles and side length. And our goal for today is to be able to recognize 3 new types of triangles and see what's different about angles and side lengths by looking at the other one. So to start, who can remind me about the basic properties of triangles? Hannah?
They have 3 sides and the angles add up to 180 degrees.
Great job, thank you. And could anybody remind me about the different types of angles we learned about yesterday? Brooke?
We learned the different names of angles yesterday. If an angle is 90 degrees, then it's a right angle. When a triangle has a right angle, then it's a right triangle.
Great. Who else? Michael?
We also said that if an angle was less than 90 degrees, it was acute, and if an angle was greater than 90 degrees, it was obtuse.
You know, while you're on the right path with obtuse, when an angle is less than 90 degrees, we actually call it acute. But I like to remember the name acute because it's little and cute. So I see where you were going with that. It was really close. So today, let's look at these 3 triangles we have on the board. Can anybody tell me what's different about them? Brooke?
One has sides that are all the same. One has 2 sides that are the same. And one has 3 sides that are all different.
Awesome. Thank you. So when we talk about these 3 triangles, we actually use proper names for them, which I've got written over here. Could anybody guess at which names go with which triangle? Michael?
So I definitely know that equilateral goes with the triangle with equal sides because it has equal in the name.
Nice. I really like your reasoning. Do you want to guess at any of the other ones?
Yes, I think isosceles is the one with different side lengths because isosceles is such a funky word.
You know, I really like where you're going with that, but isosceles actually goes with the triangle where 2 sides are the same. Nice work, though. Could anybody guess at the name for this one?
Scalene!
Nice work, guys. So, when we look at these 3 different kinds of triangles, we can actually talk about them in terms of the angles that we went over yesterday. So, the total number of degrees inside a triangle is 180. That means the 3 angles could all be acute, which is less than 90 degrees, or we could have one angle that's 90 degrees, a right angle, or an obtuse angle. We can only have one right angle or one obtuse angle because if we were to have more than one, the angles inside a triangle would add up to be more than 180 degrees. Something else that's important to learn is that when you look at a triangle, the side lengths actually relate to the angles inside. If a side length is the same, the angle opposite the side lengths that are the same will also be the same. Could anybody guess at the interior angles of an equilateral triangle?
I think I can.
What do you think, Brooke?
60 because 180 divided by 3 is 60.
Nice mental math. Thank you for your answer. Does anybody know how we might be able to apply that same idea to an isosceles triangle? Hannah?
That means that 2 angles have to be the same because the 2 sides are the same?
Really great job. Awesome. And what does that tell us about the 3rd angle in an isosceles triangle? Hannah?
It would have to be obtuse or a right angle, and then the other 2 angles are going to be the same, so they're acute.
Right. And so this 3rd angle could be acute too.
Yes.
Awesome job. So when we look at a scalene where all 3 sides are different, none of the 3 angles will be the same. And just like we saw with the isosceles triangle, one of the angles could be right or obtuse, and the other 2 will be acute, or we could have 3 acute angles. So now, let's do a cheer that brings it all together.
Equilateral triangles are tame, the 3 sides are all the same. So are 3 angles with no shame, 60 degrees each is our game. Isosceles aren't rare, 2 sides will exactly compare. 2 of the angles will come as a pair, just don't forget there will be a spare. Obtuse and acute, both are a hoot, we might see both when it's time to compute. Scalene does its own thing, with its own distinctive ring. The sides are the same, if so that would be lame. Acute and obtuse, both on the loose, either one could be in use. But don't forget, I wouldn't want you to fret, one obtuse angle is enough for the set. See, triangles are easy to get.
Good job, guys. Thank you so much for your